Hello YouTube, this is a tour of my Veto TECH LC bag, Service Tech. This bag is about 3 years old and it's held up real well. I've had a bunch of different bags in the past, but this has been the best bag that I've ever owned. It's the Veto TECH LC. So we'll get kind of started on the outside. We have keep all my wire nuts in a little bag here on the outside. Some electrical fittings. We got pipe thread tape, electrical tape. Got a paint pen, just a regular pen, some other Sharpies, D-ring, extra on this side we got a large D-ring, small D-ring. On this side we have a small D-ring, place for a tape measure. And let's see, we'll go in the first pouch here. Keep a little stubby, Klein stubby. It's a 6-in-1. Also keep 1/4 inch. It's a DeWalt fitting there. Gives you a swivel. Comes in real handy. So I have a 5/16. 3/8. And I keep a 9/16 thin walled it's chrome moly Milwaukee socket, and also a 1/2 inch. It's two of the most common sizes that I run into. We have a zipper here. Basically, I just keep my headlight. We use the headlights quite a bit. Not always got a lot of light in some of the places that we go into. Here we keep, I keep like just little fittings. These are high temperature ceramic wire nuts. I've got large, mediums, just some spades. Just some electrical fittings, fuses. Some more different style spade clips. That one's empty. Some clamp on for my meter. My meter is a field piece, HS36 True RMS. Have a fuse puller. Vampires, scissors, cutters, Allen wrenches. Just another little set of Allen wrenches. Three-in-one oil. Milwaukee. Have our Milwaukee razor knife. It's another light, flashlight, magnetic. Have a receptacle tester, GFI tester. This is just a have a temperature probe for the fill piece meter and some different types of leads. Have my Milwaukee 12-volt impact. Have a thermometer, temperature, fill piece. Set it in different positions. Have our brush for condenser coils. Then we'll have our Vera. It's a little miniature ratchet. Comes in real handy in really tight places. It comes with a whole set of bits, security bits. It also comes with metric sockets, screwdriver, just a miniature screwdriver. Packaged really good. Have a pick set from SK. And then we have another Vera. These are our my high voltage set. Got a couple of extra square bits I keep in there. That's really super nice. It fits in there and it's locked. And you just get it off, pull down, slides right out. Got every bit you can imagine. And we just have a simple fluke tester. Really enjoyed this. Nice packaging, fits in the tool bag. Really nice. Really nice. Okay, up here at the top, well, here we have a extension, just a Milwaukee bit extension. Okay, as you can see, we just got several bits here. 1/4 inch, 3/8, 5/16, 1/4 inch square drive, 1/2 inch square drives adapters. We have Phillips heads. The D-ring. And then we keep up here in the top, basically keep some jumper wires. Have a magnetic jumper wire, standard alligator clip type. A valve core stem remover, just a 45-degree adapter to get into hard places. You can see that. All right, that pretty much does it for this one. Okay, start on the other side. Just take the clip off. Keeps it out of the from off of the ground. We got a couple little pockets here. Here we just got some 5-ounce fuses, a little popper to track down shorts in the 24-volt low voltage circuit. More fuses. These are 3-ounce and 4-ounce. Got 4, 5, and 3. Here I just keep a lighter, little piece of sand tape, that's just a piece off of a heat lamp. Pretty much it. There. Okay. All right. Keep a set of gloves. Some of the stuff we work on is really greasy. Sandpaper. Leftover parts. Leftover parts. Pipe reamer. Use this in our copper pipe tubing. Pipe cutter, copper pipe cutter. Lebanon ones. Also has the valve core remover. Electricians Lebanon ones won't have the valve core remover. They have a different, a little square. It also has a little reamer. but the Havoc 11-in-1s do get the valve core removers. Some just little clamps. Just a little pocket screwdriver, magnet on the end. Right angle. Bit holder. Just a pencil. Another Sharpie, tie tone, tie wrap, a little thermostat screwdriver, or it's just a real small Milwaukee wire strippers. Small channel locks, side cutters, crescent, little 6-inch, Nip-X 6-inch, service wrench, square drive. I actually got 4 sizes on this thing: 3/16, 5/16, and 3/4, and 3/8, I believe. Another service wrench. This is a goes inside the service valve on the air conditioning unit to open and shut valves. Just a little pocket thermostat wrench. And you got different fittings. This is a lock nut on electrical boxes. Tightener or loosener. Just a seal floss stick for brazing. Have a channel lock needle nose. We have the valve pliers. See the teeth on there to get those rounded off screws. Grab a hold to it. These are the valve pliers. Irwin's, just the right angles. These ones happen to be made in Germany. Very good quality. I think they hired Nip-X or one of those German companies to make some of this for them. Here's Lyman's pliers. Also made in Germany. Excellent pliers. Nipex channel locks, Cobras, 10-inch. 1132 nut driver. Just 3 of the 1/8, 532, and another 1/8 of the common Allens. Take fan blades and stuff off. We need the long ones to get inside there to get the fan blades. Klein crimpers. Put these crimpers up against anybody's. They're I believe some of the best made. It's just a lighter. Use it for fryers, ovens, you know, whenever we need to light gas. Inspection mirror has lights on it, but the battery's probably dead, so. In the front here, we have quarter, 5/16, 7/16, 3/8, and then a Phillips. For the impact gun, most of the screws we run into is going to be one of those sizes. Have a Harbor Freight 1/4-inch composite ratchet. For what I use it for, works great, and to have it here. Have an 8-inch cold blue thin extra wide jaw, but our TXV valves need a real thin wrench to get in there, and these work perfect for that. But you can see the offset and that they're really thin there. You just get in there. Cold blue channel locks. Just a 10-inch pair of channel locks. A 10-inch adjustable wrench. 3/8 Harbor Freight ratchet. Okay, we have a 1/4-inch ratcheting wrench. That's made by Husky. We have a disposal wrench. If you've got a garbage disposal, you may probably know what this wrench is for, but in case it gets locked up, you have a place on the very bottom of the disposal that you can put this on and try to free up whatever's in there that's got it locked up. 5/16 ratcheting wrench, Husky 1/2-inch Husky ratcheting wrench. 5/8 Husky ratcheting wrench. 7/16. I believe these are this is a 5/16 Cobalt. 9/16 Husky. Cobalt's 3/8, and then a 3/8 7/16 line wrench. We also have a Unibit. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and that's the service bag of a restaurant service tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.